In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a HubSpot email as HTML. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to grab the full HTML for any email you've already sent from HubSpot so you can reuse it in other platforms, back it up, or share it with a developer or designer. Follow along on your own screen if you can, and pause the video anytime you need to catch up. First, start inside your HubSpot account and go to the main navigation at the top. Hover over or click on the marketing section. From the drop-down that appears, choose Email. This will take you to your email dashboard, where you can see all your marketing emails, including drafts, scheduled emails, and past sends. Next, look for the sent email you want to export as HTML. You can scroll through the list or use the search and filters if you have a lot of emails in your account. Once you find the email you're interested in, click directly on its name. That will open the detailed view for that specific email, showing performance stats and settings related to that send. From here, you want to access the web version of the email. Look for the Actions menu, usually found near the top right area of the email details page. Click on Actions and then choose View Web Version. HubSpot will open the live, web-hosted version of your email in a new browser tab. This is exactly what your recipients would see if they clicked a View in Browser link. Now you're going to grab the underlying HTML code for that page. In the New tab, right-click anywhere on the email, avoiding images or links if possible, and select View Page Source from the menu that appears. Different browsers might phrase this slightly differently, but you're looking for the option that lets you see the page's source code. A new tab or window will open with a lot of text and characters. This is the full HTML of your email. To copy everything, use the keyboard shortcut to select all. On most systems, that's Ctrl-A. After everything is highlighted, copy it with Ctrl-C. At this point, you've successfully exported your HubSpot email as HTML. You can now paste that code into a text editor, an HTML file, or another email platform that accepts custom HTML. Just keep in mind that some platforms may handle styling and images differently, so it's always a good idea to test before sending to your full audience.